Hey guys, it's Lark from Profit Parrot Marketing, and today we're going to talk about the art of crafting the perfect meta description for your web pages. A compelling meta description can be the key to driving more clicks and improving your search engine rankings. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you're concise and informative. Your meta description should be around 150 to 160 characters, so make every word count. That's not a lot to work with. Highlight the key selling points of your content to entice users to click. The next step is to use relevant keywords. Include your target keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing. You have to make sure it sounds natural and engaging for your audience. The next step is to create a unique description for each page. You will need to tailor your meta descriptions to match the specific content of the page. Google does not like duplicate meta descriptions, so make sure each one is unique and it speaks to what your page is about. The next step is to add a call to action. You need to encourage users to take action by using action-oriented language. So go here, visit now, browse our store, something like that that tells them what to do next. We also want to make sure we are speaking to our target audience. We need to make sure we understand their needs and address them in the meta description. This is valuable space. We don't have a lot to work with, so we need to make sure that our audience puts together what we are trying to talk about. The next step is to include a benefit or solution. You want to let users know what they'll gain from clicking on your link. And of course, the next step is to check for grammar and spelling. A well-written meta description reflects professionalism and trustworthiness. Now we're going to review a sample meta description for a blog post about healthy recipes. Discover mouth-watering and healthy recipes to nourish your body. Start cooking today for a healthier you. So we can see the keywords are in here, healthy recipe, and the call to action is at the end. And they're talking about what the page is about. So it's about healthy, mouth-watering recipes. So it speaks to the target audience, includes a benefit, and grammar and spelling are on point. So there you have it. Now you know how to create the perfect meta description, a concise, keyword-rich, and compelling meta description. Remember, a well-crafted meta description can significantly impact your website's visibility and user engagement. So go ahead and implement these tips and watch your click-through rates soar. If you need help creating meta descriptions or keyword research, let us know. We're happy to help.